Oh yeah. 2 babies. I think we need to help that one. Today is Sunday. Oh, here he comes. Now he's coming in. Come on, little head. Come out of that shell.
Yeah, I don't think we should bother it.
Oh, goody. Well, you should take them shells out of there.
She will.
Come on out, little baby. Is that an eye?
I can't see.
You're moving. Come on out, little baby.
He's coming. I hate to leave now. That little bitty egg, I wonder if it's okay.
They're all gonna hatch.
There's one gonna be a couple days behind. At least they'll have a better chance.
The biggest one is the last one. The light blue one.
The biggest one. Peeps!
1 egg left, huh?
Yeah, and it's gonna be behind everybody. Hey, little peeps!
Alright, they need one to lay on.
Hey, little peeps!
Okay, there's one.
You tap the bell. Hey, peeps!
2.
That other one's kind of listless.
So tilt the mirror up, please, a little bit.
Oh.
There you go.
Come on, peeps. Come on, peeps. Come on, peeps. Look at him. Oh, sweet.
It's just like last time. This is Monday morning, November the 13th.
12th.
12th?
I'm not sure.
It's on the tape here somewhere.
Come on, little peeps.
I don't imagine they're too hungry just yet. Yeah, that one's good.
That's
I
true.
think they're alright.
Yeah, they're alright.
All the eggshells are gone? I don't see none.
Yeah, she was eating. No, look at that one.
That's just like his brother.
Yeah. Oh, that's Amber. Look at her. Hey, little peeps.
That's a bowl full of babies.
She certainly did a lot better making the nest.
Yeah, it's a beautiful nest.
You notice how she puts the cotton down in the bottom, but make it softer.
Okay.
Hey, little peep. Hey, baby. Hey, babies. Oh. They're sleeping.
Isn't that just wicker we're looking at?
No, it's nesting material on there. Come on, babies. Come on. Ooh, come on. Put your little head up. Alright, you see that one on
I
the bottom?
think so.
Come on, come on. See, there's 4. Oh, there they are. Look how sweet. There's babies. Come on, little
I
babies.
see some eyes fixing to
Come
open.
on, little babies. Come on, little babies. They're real cross. Come on, baby. You see that one on the bottom?
Let me see the one moving on the bottom. Come on.
Poor little fella. He just...
Well, as soon as he left, Amber come feed him. Fed them. As soon as Prince left, Amber come to continue feeding them.
Hey, little babies. Hey, little babies. Oh, look at little babies. They're so cute. Hi, sweethearts. Hi there. Come on. Mm-hmm.
And then they all collapse. Bloop. Huh? Thought that one was going to fall out. Well, you got your work cut out for you, Prince.
You see his wing coming out of there?
Yeah. I thought he was falling. Where'd he go?
He's a big French.
And down they go. False alarm.
They're eating all the time. Because I'm not. Come on, babies, look, I got one on my finger. I'm gonna put him up too high.
Well, they
See, he's sitting there.
play together.